Happy New Year to all my fellow Haitian. If you are Haitian, we all know what you have in January 1st. In my household and some of my friends, they are vegetarian, so when I make soup Joumou, I cook the meat separately. While I have the pumpkin cooking, I'm just getting my vegetables ready. Guys, I do not add dumboy in soup Joumou. Please don't do that. You're not making bouillon. Dumpling, dumboy do not go in soup Joumou. And I don't add banana neither because I don't like it. While the pumpkin is ready, I'm getting my vegetables ready. Now I'm going to fully blend the pumpkin. Then I'm going to start making the soup. I sauteed some epis, then added the veggies, and then I'm going to strain the pumpkin. And then I'm just going to let it simmer. Meanwhile, the sauce is ready. And then I'm going to let all the vegetable cook. Then I added some butter and bouillon and a little bit of butter. Then I added the macaroni and I also added the pasta. It depends on what macaroni you can find. Now the soup is pretty much ready. Everybody who's vegetarian, they are getting theirs right now. And after everybody got their soup, then I added the meat. And this is the final result. Soup Joumou came out super delicious. This is the vegetarian and this is the one with meat. Happy New Year and thanks for watching.